Hello, welcome to my yoga YouTube channel, Sarah Lane Therapies. I'm Sarah Lane. This is the introduction to my 30-day yoga challenge. Throughout January of 2019, I'll upload a new yoga class every day to encourage you to practice yoga at home. To find a full list of the yoga classes, you can visit my website www.sarahlanetherapies.co.uk. And under the tab 30-Day Yoga Challenge, you can find the full calendar, which you can either print out or download. You can find the link below. Each class is individual, so you can either choose the classes you would like to watch that are suitable to your needs, or you can challenge yourself and dedicate time each day to practice yoga at home. All you'll need is a yoga mat. If you have them, some yoga blocks and a yoga strap. If you don't have yoga blocks and a yoga strap, you can either use a pile of books or a soft pillow, depending on which the activity is. And you can use a belt or a scarf instead of a yoga strap. I'd recommend practicing yoga in comfortable, loose clothing, so avoid jeans or any tops with buttons on them. If you're a beginner to yoga, I'd recommend watching the video first all the way through to prepare yourself of what you'll be doing in your yoga class. The most important thing in yoga is to listen to your own body and listen to any limitations you may have, and only go into your level. Remember, you can pause the video at any time to make sure that you get in the right position. And the more you practice anything, the more natural and relaxing it will become. There are some yoga videos that you may like to practice every day, such as my guided breathing and guided meditation videos. I would appreciate any feedback of how you get on with the yoga videos. Please also like the videos if you've enjoyed them and leave me a comment. And please also share with any family and friends. You may also like the videos, as you can start this yoga 30-day challenge at any time. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Goodbye.